boast of his name, cast down your sword, or die in disgrace.
This kingdom.
Argon, you toddler. Come, I will reunite you with your father. You know naught of duty nor honor. You would risk the kingdom's very existence.
Your dismissal is the will of the people. It is my duty to bring them justice.
Cannot even comprehend the measure of the sacrifices I have made for this kingdom!
I stand for every man, woman, and child who ever lived under the lash of your tyranny!
Father. He also brought through into this kingdom. It was I who restored it to its former glory.
My father cannot rest in peace until Agathian integrity is restored to the throne.
Loved your father, flawed as he was. I only did what was necessary to save the kingdom.
My father looks down on you with pity and shame. How far you have fallen.
Your father entrusted me with the defense of the kingdom in his absence. I will die before revolt. On the second and his pitiful rebellion.